Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Barbie from Barbie in a fairy tale with her red carpet outfit. First of all guys, for the hair, you can choose this hair and then you're going to color it like this. And then you're going to put on this necklace, make it white, and this earring, make it white. And then I'm going to go to the top area and we're going to put on this top. And for this top, we're going to choose this pink color and I'm going to make it metallic. And the next one guys, I'm going to go to the VIP room, and from this VIP room, I'm going to choose this skirt. You're going to make it glitter and then you're going to apply this purple color. Okay, and I'm going to go to the dressing room and go to the Valentine's update and choose the skirt, and you're going to choose no ribbon, and for the color you're going to make it pink. Okay, and for the texture I'm going to make it metallic. Okay, apply the pink color for the second selection as well. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to put on this belt, this one guys right here, and we're going to color it with this color for the first selection until the third selection. And then you're going to do adjustment for this belt. Okay, for the belt guys, you're going to do this adjustment for the position, rotate, and also scale. And I'm going to go to this skirt area and put on this skirt. Then I'm going to choose toggle 2, and we're going to color it pink for the first selection and also the second selection. And then I'm going to make it metallic. Okay, done. And the last one, we're going to go to the back area. It's right here, and I'm going to choose this item. Okay, and this is the final result. It's simple yet elegant. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!